Hey guys, Sportshot here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can get one Bitcoin per week through this Bitcoin mining thing. Right, so as you can see, I've gotten about 1.4 Bitcoin. Let's just put that. Let's just see how much that's worth. So yeah, I've gotten about 8,000 USD from just mining for a week. And yeah. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. Now what I usually do is every night when I go to sleep, I'll put this on to 100%, and after a week I've got 1.41 Bitcoin. So yeah. There are a few things you can do here. You can toggle it. If you slide the bar all the way down, it goes off. If you slide it all the way up, it goes max and takes up as much CPU as it can. And it'll mine really fast, depending on how good your computer is. You can share it, which is what I'm doing. I have a custom like URL thing, and you will be able to get like 100,000 Satoshi when you join, and then you'll get a 10% boost for your first week if you sign up using my link. And then also you can like share it on Facebook, Twitter, Google+. I don't know what that is, and I think that's Gmail, I don't know. And then I haven't referred anybody yet because this is the first sponsorship video I'm doing, and I've mined this much, and the sponsorship gave me this. But I mine on a different account sometimes, and that's how I got that one Bitcoin like statistic thing. So I'll click here, get the boost, and say you want to earn some money or something like that. Well, you can get this, and you can just show other people. Say you tell 10 friends, and each of them will tell 2 more friends. I've got $108, but wait, you can tell 3 friends, and they'll tell 8 friends. And boom, you just got the whole population of America plus some to use your referral code, because apparently that's how it works, and you've gotten to be a millionaire. Totally true. So yeah, that is how you can become a Bitcoin dollar heir. Yeah, that's how you get Bitcoin.